Let's go, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the Stocked Up Live YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and look at this stock market today. We are actually ripping to the upside a little bit here into market open after yesterday's selling. I noticed that Apple is moving up, SPY, Microsoft. We have all these stocks running up this morning right into key areas of resistance, like specifically Microsoft here is at a big area of resistance. We could see a big rejection right here and maybe some more selling back down. I don't know about you guys, but it actually worries me sometimes, like if we open up too low. I would rather open up a little bit higher compared to close like we did this morning and then run lower. That would actually be something that I like to see a little bit better as far as a downwards type of trade or something like that, because we can really identify that rejection and get into that move to the downside. But Microsoft is definitely trying to come back up today a little bit. You know, we're going to have to see if this resistance can hold up or not, though. That's all the question is. Apple's actually breaking out above 186. I'm kind of surprised that they were able to get up and out of there. Let's eye them up on the book map really quick. Why not? See what we have here. So 186. Oh, it's all the way down there now. Yeah, it did have some pretty big sellers in there this morning, but kind of disappeared now. 187 is like the next major level, but there is a lot of sellers stacked up just slightly overhead. A lot of buyers down there at 185, so gonna have to see how Apple can go here today. So far, though, we're above 186, getting some decent momentum back up, which is interesting to me. This was actually my free day trade with Apple. We have SPY moving back to the upside as well after a few days of selling. It might not seem like SPY was selling off as hard as it was, but there was a pretty decent sell-off going on SPY the past few days. You know, we ran from 438-ish all the way down to 431. That's a pretty good 7-point move. Now, what sucked is that it was just very choppy throughout this time. It was hard to catch the downwards moves. A lot of them were in after hours or pre-market, or they happened like towards the end of day a lot. So it was pretty hard to catch them, in my opinion, unless you were just swinging something, which in that case was okay. But yeah, a lot of these stocks are coming back today. Looking at that watch list, it definitely is interesting, to say the least. I can't believe we have NIO at the top again. NIO, good China EV stock. I don't know about NIO anymore. They're scaring me. Nike, Hulk smashed the Red Bulls. I need one today. We're actually out of them now. Good morning, lurkers. Yeah, I was going to say good morning, Vietnam, but we'll say good morning, lurkers. Disney a good price to me? You know, I think it is, Xbox. I actually like Disney at the current price quite a bit. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to go up right away, but at the current price, I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with it. Honestly, as long as you're a long-term player, that's the thing, Xbox. If you're talking a short-term swing trade, honestly, it's not even bad for that. You know, risk-reward wise, you could have a stop loss at like $86 or $85, buy in at 88, maybe target 100 or 110. Stop loss wise, like risk-reward, that's actually really, really good. I would take that almost any day of the week on Disney there. I've been buying into shares consistently on this one, so I'll just keep doing that. Hopefully the price actually drops down a little bit more here. I don't know. Maybe I don't want that. If it just stays stagnant down here, I'd be happy. I really don't want this big support at 84 to break. If they make a new low here on the year, that's going to be pretty scary. So I hope that's not the case. But I do like the price, Xbox. I like it a lot on good old Disney. And I think that they'll do a lot better coming forward. Like whenever these Apple headsets come out and stuff like that, I think Disney will start to uptick more. Now, not necessarily just because of the headsets, but I think that just overall market conditions will help them uptick during that time. Like ESPN will be doing a little bit better. You know, stuff like that is what I'm kind of thinking. But I do like that Nike setup today too, Sean. Looking pretty good on that daily chart. Coming back up in a big way. They have earnings coming up this week, so it could be like a pre-earnings run-up. Let's see. They report on Thursday and after hours. Tonight, we don't really have anything. We did have Walgreens report this morning, though. Ooh, they're down a lot. Let's see that daily chart for Walgreens. Oh, that's actually pretty terrible, guys. Oh, man. Walgreens. That's brutal for you guys there. They just ran to new, like, lows of the past couple of years. That's pretty rough. They're at levels, Walgreens is at levels that they have not been at right now since June of 2012. June 20th of 2012. That's pretty rough. So, wow, those long-term investors must be pissed on that one. Jeez. How's our good friends at Tessie today? I think they're doing okay, yeah. Keep in mind, there's just a slight uptick today. I feel like today is going to be a green day in the stock market. I even posted about it a little bit in the day trading channel this morning. I'm sure it threw a couple people off, actually, a little bit. Tesla's doing okay, though, ripping back, maybe coming back to 245. Looks like it's actually trying to break that, but now it's like rejecting back. It's getting volatile here on these 5-minute candles. Let's go to the ones. Yeah, pretty volatile here. Big move up and rejection. Meta, there we go. I like to see that one. Do you guys enjoy Tesla out there? Or, I mean, do you guys think that Disney's at a good price, too? I know everybody has different opinions on stocks, so I'm curious to see what you guys think. Do you guys like Disney here? Do you guys think it can go lower? I think it can go lower, but I still like it at this price. The thing that worries me with them right now is that woke stuff. You know, the woke is the problem with them. That's the only negative I have. Like, literally, the company is great. They're a one-of-a-kind thing. You know, you can't recreate Mickey Mouse. So everybody always says that. It's true, though. You can't. Yeah, it's just at a really good price compared to the past couple of years. Like, you're getting it right now at a price you get it at the COVID low, which is pretty weird to say. Tangy Man said, "Happy Taco Tuesday." That's awesome, Tangy. I might have some tacos for dinner now that you mentioned that. Babe, are we having tacos? No? No tacos? Oh, she says no tacos. That's too bad. I wanted the taco. No? Really? No tacos? Why? Oh, we used the meat last night. Darn it. Oh. Maybe I'll have to go to the store today. I forgot we used our last thing of meat. Looks like we're having chicken for dinner or something instead. Darn it. No tacos for me. It's okay, though. I've had a lot of tacos lately. Sean says, 87.25. I have my sharp eye on Disney. Size 4 line dark red. Can't miss it. I know what you're saying with that, Sean. Throwing it up there on Thinkorswim. Speaking of that, I need to get our 4-chart setup going again on Thinkorswim. Get Coinbase on here, because why not? You have to with Coinbase, right? QQQ. We have NVIDIA. Buy. All right, NVIDIA running up again, 413. Not bad at all. All right, SPY, I like that it open. How do you guys like this 4-chart setup? Do you like it? See. Yeah, Hulk smash the like button, Xbox. I'm with you. Let's go. Smash it up. Man, these stocks are really coming back today. That SPY is kind of blowing my mind away with how it's coming back. All right. How are the banks? I bet you they're carrying some. No? Nothing out of the banks today. Cruise lines, airlines. Airlines are doing pretty good. American looks great. My buddy was pissed at American the other day. They like delayed his flight and he got stuck somewhere for like a whole night. That'd be the worst, like traveling around getting stuck places. God, he tells me horror stories of that like all the time. Come on, Tessie, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna break that resistance? Are you just gonna be stagnant here and not do anything for us? Apple, look at that, baby. Let's go. What an explosion. My free day trade today was Apple above 186, and that thing exploded. Love to see that with Apple. That's beautiful there. Hell yeah, if you guys made any money on Apple, definitely hit the like button. Wow. That was a good move above 186 today at open. Microsoft looks strong too. Yes, it does. Microsoft and Apple both had pretty strong moves today. Yeah, Microsoft, now they're coming back. Apple, yeah, now they're coming back. They're both coming back, of course. They move so similar. Of course, they're both doing that. TLT, is it? Let's see, Tangy. Oh my gosh, it's having so much problems getting through this resistance at like 103 to 104. Just so many problems getting through here. It's almost like a perfect double top, Tangy. Wow. I'm definitely leaning on this one to the upside, though, that's for sure. We're probably seeing TNX drop off. Yes, we are. And here's one thing I want to show you guys on TNX. Now, I know this is a yield, and, you know, whenever you think of trend lines, you think of yields, you're probably like, how could that even be possible that yields move with trend lines? But it's kind of played out that way a few times in the past, and TNX right now is actually having a perfect bounce off of this trend line. And if we continue to see this downwards movement out of TNX, that's going to be fantastic for TLT. So I'm really hoping that we can continue to see that movement, and then TLT can start to, you know, fly back up a little bit more. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, that would be really good, actually, and I think it can definitely happen. TLT's down here in the dumps. It has, I think we could come back up and maybe retest that resistance around 108 to 110 sometime soon. Me and Mike have been waiting for it forever. Mike's been talking about it while it's been low down here around 102 to 103 for the past couple weeks, so he's been on top of this one. Cassie, how we looking? Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. A little bit weird here today with some of the stocks popping up. Not too surprising to me, like I mentioned, but I bet you a lot of people were leaning towards puts, are probably upset with this move. Sucks for my SQQQ play. Really sucks for that. Now it's almost back to break even. That sucks. Okay, though, I still think we can go down as the next few days go forward. Hey, Purdy! Posted a picture of him. Babe, come here, look at this. Purdy, he had a picture. He always keeps posting pictures of his newborn. Yeah, there we go. Purdy with the what is that, a sling? It says like boba on it. Yeah. Is there a certain name for it, or it's just like a holder, I guess you'd say? Interesting though. Looks really good, Tangy. There you go. Or I mean Purdy. I'm glad to have you you said it's a boba wrap. Okay. Yeah, that's really cool, Purdy. Wow. I'm so glad to see you have the baby at home. That's awesome. Hope he's doing well for you. How's trading been with the baby, Purdy? Has it been a little harder to trade in the morning and stuff? I bet it's been a lot harder now. Helicopter to Mars. Oh. I like this, guys. Look at this. In the memes channel on Discord, Sharon. Oh, gosh. These are pretty good. Helicopter tours to volcanoes. 250 grand. Book yours now. It's looks like a freaking plastic helicopter. I can't get over that one, Sharon. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The propellers are already droopy. Like, it's not even over the volcano and they're already drooping. That's really good. Nvidia's about to tumble, Tangy thinks. Look at Apple, 187 now, continuing with the momentum. Microsoft coming back as well. Not near as high as Apple, but definitely getting some momentum back up. He said his sleep's messed up, so he isn't awake during the market hours. Oh, I see, Tangy, I see. Yeah, you know, that's gonna be wild, you know, at night whenever they start crying, right? The good news is that I'm generally someone that can stay awake for a long time anyways. The bad problem is that I'm easily irritable when woken up. So it's like, I'm like, oh, it's good as long as I'm staying awake. But once I get to sleep, then it's gonna be like, oh. Or sometimes I don't even wake up. That's the real problem. When I'm in a real bad sleep. That helicopter rocks. I like it, Tangy. I would definitely trust it. I would pay 250 grand for that one. It looks like one of those fancy electric helicopters. It looks like something Elon would draw, you know, like the Cybertruck. Maybe that's the new Tesla helicopter. That'd be really cool if Tesla announced something like that. Some type of flying vehicle. Now that would be something else. Oh yeah, Tangy's head just flushed red. Yeah, mine too, Tangy. Mine did as well. Yeah, it definitely did. Let me know what you guys are seeing with momentum today. Let's go ahead and go back to Neo. They're flying up, it looks like. Roblox as well. Wow, look at that move. 3.52% to the upside. That is pretty wild there. SOXS is green, is it? Isn't this like a chip? Yeah, semiconductor bull. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Or, no, it's a bear, actually. You're right. What's going on here? Let's go look at AMD. Wow, yeah, they look pretty rough. Nvidia. Definitely not the best. What about MU? Whoa! Why is MU selling off like that? Qualcomm is as well. Yeah, I don't know why they're doing that. What about MRVL? Okay, not too bad. Not bad, not bad. Weird. I'll take it with Apple, but yeah. I'm with you, Tangy. It's just that the price of that usually moves pretty dang close to what they're doing. I think it's because a lot of them are red. Like AMD and Qualcomm and MU. Starting to turn over, drag it down. Nvidia wasn't too bad here. Today. I'm with you though, Tangy. I am with you. I'm thinking SOXS could do great. The thing about it is just timing it right. It's gonna be a tough one to time correctly, but that might have been a good time to buy this morning or yesterday on the dip. Once Nvidia and some of these tech stocks start falling, I mean, some of these like SQQQ, SOXS, I could see these babies really flying. Nice, you got it in pre-market. That's good. And Palantir. How's good old DraftKings? We haven't even checked in on them today. 0.79%. Tangy got in at 11.08 on SOXS. Let's see. That's not a bad price, yeah. You did get in at a good time. Right there around 7:35, 7:40. Central time, that is. That would have been 8:40 Eastern. Make sure you guys hit that like button, though. Really appreciate that. Better do it, or else Biden's gonna get upset.
Come on, man.
He's gonna get upset. Although you guys might want to make him upset. Oh, you know, I should probably say it the other way. He's gonna get upset if you like the stream. So that means you need to like it. Because we want to make him upset, right? Or no? I don't know. Maybe we shouldn't make him upset. He might get flustered. Go to Palantir. You know, I'm gonna do a new campaign for 2024. Powell for president. I think that should be what we do. Big Daddy Powell for president. I think that would be a fun one. We need that guy to run the country for a couple years. I don't know how influenced he is by outside sources or money or etc., but I'll say this, Powell would probably be pretty good for the monetary side of things. About everything else, I don't know. He doesn't really strike me as like a president, but kind of cool that way, though. Go back to Neo. Let's see. It's still going. You're kidding me. They're up 8% now. How are they still running? Roblox. Roblox. What a game. Have you guys ever played Roblox? Pretty funny. I think I've actually played it on the stream a couple times. Let me go see if I can get on there one time again. Roblox. Cool, I remembered all my stuff. Oh yeah, Walmart land. Roblox, that's pretty funny. You guys are gonna laugh at this. Look at these games on here. Like, what the? Roleplay County Jail. That sounds kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go drop the soap in the jail. Oh boy. Roblox is gonna get banned now because of that game. $41 on Roblox though. What a stock. 4.8%. Look at these green candles today. That is wild to the upside. I can't believe it. That is wild. Hey, Stocks Gains has a baby as well. Congratulations. His is 6 weeks old. Walmart got beaten, Gengar says. WMT. 0.15%. It got beaten this morning. It came back a little bit, but let's see the daily. It looks pretty good on the daily. I mean, Walmart's up around highs. Walmart's actually not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, Walgreens. Oh, I read it wrong. I see, Gengar. Sorry about that. Yeah. They really did get beaten. You're right. Big time. 9.84% to the downside. Yeah, that's rough. It was actually one of the first ones I talked about today, just because it was a big mover. Let's see. Square is kind of up there today. I like that. So they usually have some pretty decent moves back when the market recovers, and I'm glad to see them starting to rip back up today. 63.20 is right where they're at. That's a pretty big resistance level here as well. Watch 64.20 up there. How's Lucid? I know that stock had a ton of great momentum yesterday. I'm surprised nobody said it today. Ooh, Tesla had an FSD failure. Uh-oh. It ran a stop sign. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. Tesla at FSD crash, I guess we call it. Oh, boy. That's gonna be rough. I don't see anything about it yet, but why don't we go on Twitter? Because I bet you That thing's gonna be all over there. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Joe Rogan. I guess I gotta follow him. Let's see if it's on the show more for the trending. Taco Tuesday's trending. I blame you guys for this. You guys said that and it made it pop up here. Now it's trending. That's funny. Why does Iran have so many tweets? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That sounds scary, guys. Tate the Talesman. Lucid, let's go. Yes, Ali. We need it to go up for you. Come on. It had that good news. It's got to get higher, right? Like, that was some pretty good news, I thought, with Aston Martin yesterday. Not every day as an electric vehicle company you get to work with a... I don't even know what you call Aston Martin. I guess you'd call them a luxury car company. I don't think I'd classify their cars as like supercars, but they're pretty cool, very expensive cars. But yeah, I'm not gonna do supercar status for them. They don't get it. Sorry to them, but they're like BMW or something to me, or like Mercedes, or you know, their sports cars are like AMGs. You know, 58,000 share. Yes, Ali Turk has 58,000 shares of Lucid Motors. That is wild, guys. Get this, if Lucid Motors goes up $1, Ali Turk makes $58,000 per dollar that Lucid goes up. That's pretty wild, Ali. That is pretty wild. Every dollar's 58K on this one for him. Look at that daily. I mean, imagine this thing coming back to the upside, right? Let's see. Maybe, let's just say it goes up $10. 58,000 times 10. I think that's like 580,000, right? Yeah. There we go, baby. $580,000 if this baby goes up to $15. Pretty good. Although I will say though, Ali, it's been doing rough lately, so, you know. As of now, that's been a pretty rough pick. But let's hope it comes back. Let's hope it keeps coming. I think it'll do pretty good here. It's getting that news with Aston. I'm really hoping that they're going to be able to do the Tesla superchargers. If you guys know about that, let me know if they'll be able to or not. Now they say they have 5,300 shares of Amazon. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of shares of Amazon as well. Being such a higher price, it's probably very similar in cost. Yeah, it is very close in cost, actually. Yep. Ali, is that a $500,000 position in Amazon? Or am I doing it wrong? Is that a $500,000 Amazon position? Like, hang on now, hang on. 5,350 times, let's just say 128, right? Oh my gosh. It really is. That is wild, Ali. What? That's crazy, Ali. Into Amazon. That stock's been coming back well too. I like it. And his average price is 117. I like that. You know, you're like right in the middle of the road. You're like at a decent price. Yeah, that's pretty good, Ali. I mean, damn, I'll tell you what. I wish I had that much of it. That's awesome. That's badass there. That's awesome. Keep holding them. You know what to do, Allie. You got it. Damn, that's insane. Imagine the amount of money you could make selling covered calls on this thing at like 140 or 145 or even 132. Angie, imagine those covered calls, the premiums from that. Angie, that I'd be doing it all day long if that was it. Allie, if you don't know how to sell covered calls, you should get on a call with me sometime. I could bring in like a however much a month extra. That would be pretty wild. I'm sure you know how to though if you have that much skin in the game. But 24 viewers, 8 likes. Come on, guys, let's get those likes up. Ali says, "Can they say something?" Well, you definitely can, Ali. I mean, just don't offend me or you're getting banned now. No, I'm kidding. That's a lot of money, though, in Amazon there. I know it's not like, I've seen people have more, but, man, for somebody on the live stream this morning, that's quite a bit. Damn, Ali. Well, hey, that's awesome to hear. I'm glad to hear that, Ali. I'm glad that we were able to help you out. That's awesome. I appreciate that, Ali. That's fantastic. You've been around that long, Ali? Wow. Appreciate you watching for that long. A long time. Ali did way better than me, Tangy says. I love that. That's really good, though, Ali. Like, to be honest, that is fantastic. I'm glad it helped you out. You probably started out with something pretty decent anyways, but geez. That's beautiful there. I'm glad you're doing good on Amazon, and I think it could definitely keep going up. That's for sure. Lucid now, that one's a little scary, but I think in the next, like, 2 years or so, you'll probably be so happy with that one. Even in the next 6 months, you'll probably be real happy. Premium IV on Tesla is a little high because of delivery numbers this weekend. That makes sense, Christian. It makes sense. See what you're saying? Damn, Ali started with 100K and made over $1 million. That is huge there. Congratulations. Yeah, he says, thanks to you guys. Hey, I'll take the credit, but man, good job to you too, Ali. I mean, that takes some good trading by you as well, though. You know, even if you were listening to us, that's still really, really good. You know, congratulations. That's some huge W's there. 100K into $1 million. That is really good, Ali. I'm glad to hear that. That is one of the better success stories I think I've ever heard on the channel. That's got to be the best one I think I've ever heard, actually, here. Beautiful, Ali. Appreciate that so much, though. Thanks for telling us, too. $10-1 gain equals massive W's. Hell to the yes. How have I not even said it yet? W's in the chat. All day long. All day long. Deserves some W's. There's some claps. Oh yeah, we get the claps. We get the very nice.
Very nice.
We get all right, all right.
All right, all right, all right.
That's probably the best one, is the all right one there. 950 shares of Tesla. Damn. Wow. Tesla on the book map. Oop. Sorry, Ridge Trader. I would have got it for you faster. You could have asked me on the stream. I gotta throw it in the chat for him real quick. There we go. Beautiful there. Probably buy a solid gold necklace. Hell yeah. I bet you Ali has a few of those, Tangy. Probably has a few of them. I see what you mean, though. A big W on there. Look at Lucid coming down in a big way. Dropping down under 555. Falling down to 545. Dang, Lucid, stop it. Get back up there with the good news. Get up there. Palantir, there we go, though. I'll take that one. They're actually doing quite well here today. I keep actually typing in the Discord. DraftKings. How's LUV, Southwest Airlines? See the daily on this one? Not bad. You know, I'll tell you what, the Southwest Airlines daily chart looks pretty good. Coming up, if it breaks this recent resistance and we start to run, it could have a pretty big candle, and I would think maybe like 1 or 2 days of good movement. Maybe target like 35.50. Be a pretty big area of resistance. There's some candlesticks that we're extending down to there. Go back to big tech here today. Been a minute. Tesla, Apple, coming back down now a little bit. They had that big move. They ran up to 187. Coming back now. Take that. Okay, let's go build up Ali one of his chains here. Tracks NYC is where I got my chain. Let's type in W. There's got to be some good W's on here, right? Yeah, here we go. Oh, it's only $100? Oh. Get the Washington Nationals one. That actually looks really good. I don't know about that. That looks pretty bad. Looks like W for Wumbo. If you guys know what W for Wumbo means, you're too young, like me. This one's pretty good, though. I like this. Does it have real diamonds in it? It can't, right? It's only $100. No. No real diamonds. If I type in dub, it'll come up. Dub. Nope. What about winning? Maybe I'll just type in, like, stocks. That'd be funny. Stocks. Nothing. Well, that's not cool. We'll just have to do money then and see what happens. Here we go. Ali can get the money bag. Oh, that's funny. This one's kind of cool. Look at this. Money weather. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that. That's an interesting one. Custom piece they did. Very interesting. What's a Wumbo? Oh, no. Alright, Tangy, I'm gonna make you upset probably here. Oh, boy. It's off SpongeBob, so if you're old in the chat here, don't get mad at me. Don't forget to smash that like button, though. I appreciate you guys joining up today. We've had a lot of good movement. You know, Apple had that big run at first. That was great. Good potential. It was my free day trade. We were talking about it. That had some good potential to the upside. Other than that, honestly, today has been pretty bad. Lackluster as far as movement, in my opinion. Like, look at Amazon. Very up and down. Too choppy for me. Neo's been going, but besides a couple stocks, it's just been very, very weird here. CCL's coming back, but they had a big drop. Roblox, how are they doing? They're still doing good, so like a couple stocks have been ripping, but besides a couple of those growth stocks, like look at this, everything's like around 0 to 1%, give or take on the minus or plus side, but yeah, like look at that. To the downside, it's like everything's like 0 to 1%. To the upside, everything's 0 to 1%. Got a couple growth. You know, Coinbase is one that might still be pretty darn good today. Coinbase, Mara, Riot. Those two are looking real good. Bitcoin up to 31,000. Maybe we'll break 31K today. That could be really, really good. There he goes. They could be real diamonds. Yeah, trust me. This Trax website, they have like a big YouTube channel and stuff like that. If they put out anything fake, man, you would hear about it. I can tell you that. You would hear about it. But yeah, this company's pretty darn good. Like they do it for all like the big rappers and stuff like that. Like look at Kodak Black. I know they're not going to do his ones fake, of course, but wow, that's really cool. Is that a vulture? The guy got a piece with a vulture on it. That's pretty wild. Yeah, it is pretty sweet. Let's see what Wumbo is, though.
Oh, if only I knew how to work this thing.
Let me take a look at it. You know what the problem is?
What?
You got it set to M for mini, when it should be set to W for Wumbo.
Patrick, I don't think wumbo is a real word.
Come on, you know. I Wumbo, you Wumbo, he, she, me, Wumbo. Wumbo, Wumboing.
I wonder if a fall from this height would be enough to kill me.
Wumbology? The study of Wumbo? It's first grade, SpongeBob.
Patrick, I'm sorry I doubted you.
Well, all right then. Let her rip. It worked!
Oh, no!
Wumbo. Yeah, sorry all the older people in here had to endure that just now. Sorry, we had to. Wumbo's now officially in my lexicon. I haven't heard of a lexicon in so long. What is CSWC Xbox? Never even heard of that one. Chicago White Sox? What the? Capital Southwest Corporation. What is this? It's like not moving at all. But what's weird is it seems like a fairly decent like setup, honestly, if it, you know. Pretty good like little dip going on here. Lots of test of support. I like that. Little M pattern. Not looking bad here for CSWC. Interesting one. Logs. Oh, how's Kraft Heinz? Let's see. KHC. Support right around 35. Watch Kraft Heinz, guys. It's been dipping a lot. Feel like it can maybe start to finally come up off support a little bit. This stock's been so fun to trade in the channel here. You buy around 34 to 35, and you just trade it back up to 40 or 42 every time, and just go boom, 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 boom. Now, eventually, that setup's going to go away, and I think we're getting towards the end of that, so I'm not going to advocate you do it at this point, because I really do feel like we're getting to the end of that, but normally that's been pretty good on craft lately, that move up. Now, it is only a 5-point move, but not bad. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. Come on, let's go. 12 likes. Let's try to get to at least 15. That would make us happy. Get us going here. Volunteer. So we have, let's see. How's DDOG, Data Dog? One of the big ones. Did they have a split? I could have sworn they were higher price in this. Maybe they didn't. Yeah, maybe not. Oh, I thought so. Damn, Data Dog. Wild there. Stock's been dipping so hard lately. Maybe I'm just confused because it was at 200 at one point. Now it's at 93. How's Adobe? I know they've been coming back. Okay. Let's go back to Apple here. It's been a few minutes. Check in on them. Nice. They're coming back up. Not bad, not bad. Let's see, Unity. That was the free Sniper Bot day trade today. Called out at 838. Let's see. Wow, Unity had a pretty nice move there. I like that. Yeah, not bad on Unity. Had some pretty good pops there, up to 40-30. Good move, though, Unity. I like it. Good recovery today. Amazon. Yeah, I like that. Tangy has Wumbo now. Damn. Come on, Neo. Quit dipping like this. Quit dipping back. No. Go back up for us. That's all we want. Nice upwards movement here. Damn, everything's starting to sell back off now. Be careful. Watch AMD. This one's fun here, guys. Really fun. It's been getting stagnant down here, but I feel like if we drop under 107 here, we could have a more significant sell-off for sure. That'd be pretty cool. Really cool, actually. AMD. What a stock. If we do drop under there, it could sell off in a huge way. Let's see Nano Dimensions here. NNDM. I like this. Nano Dimensions. See that SPY. Bouncing off 432, coming up a little bit. That's not bad. Looks like SPY's found some support down here, guys. Seriously, that looks like pretty decent area of support. One of the bigger areas that we've been seeing down here, actually. Watch for it to trade back up, maybe to 433. Maybe even break out there. I think it could even break. Could break higher. Wow, let's go Manny, guys. Manny walking away with 3,200, or at least that's what he has now. Set it and forget it on Coinbase. 70 strike calls for July. Beautiful stuff, Manny. I love to see that. 3,200 right there. Boom. You're going to get some claps today. Love that, Manny. That's awesome. Bought some 70 strike calls on Coinbase, let it go for a while, and walked away with some gains on that one. Wow. Good stuff, though. I like that move back up with Apple, too. See how Unity looks here. It's holding high, but pretty high on the day. It's going to be tough to break back out above that, but it could happen. Pretty big, like triple, quadruple top or whatever this is going on. There is a trend line. That's one of the worst drawn flags I've ever drawn. Really, that looked bad. All right, let's go ahead and do it with some trend lines, make it look good. Look at that with Unity right there. It's a pretty big little wedge pattern. I say little because it's on the 1 minute chart. It'd be a lot cooler if it was on, it'd be a lot cooler if this was happening on a daily right now, but intraday, it looks interesting. It's holding that bottom trend line right now pretty good. Let's hope it can go up and break that high of day, maybe around 430 or 440 right there. That would be beautiful for us. Yeah, W's for Manny, guys. That was pretty good cash. He's been killing it lately. He posted it up in the Profits channel yesterday as well. Or a couple days ago. I think on Friday, like 2,300 bucks. So, Tangy, keep killing it. Or I mean, Manny. Not Tangy. I realize Manny's not even in here today, probably, but good stuff for him either way. Come on, Unity. I like that it's holding that trend line. It's pretty cool, but it's worrying me we might break down and out of it, though. My issue with it. And SPY 433. Not too bad. Alright, guys. Well, hey, that time has come. We're getting towards the end of the live stream. I appreciate all you guys joining up. I can't really stay too long today. I have some stuff to do, but I appreciate all you guys joining up to catch some of that momentum at open. That momentum with Apple at open was the really good move, in my opinion, to catch. We broke 186 in a big way, which was my level from the day trading channel this morning. Had a big move to the upside, and man, I really was happy to catch that one. It was pretty cool, but appreciate you guys joining up. Have a great rest of the day. Ali, fantastic profits out there. We might have to get you on an interview or something sometime soon. That would be pretty cool. You know, maybe we could talk about like your journey to your million, you know, maybe talk about how you started, what you traded to get there, etc., etc. That'd be really cool, Ali. I think a lot of people would like it too. I could get it set up in a pretty good way, but yeah, let's have a good one, guys. Ali, I'll hit you up tomorrow or maybe on Discord or something about it. Have a great rest of your day, though, guys. I appreciate you. Talk to you later. An $8 pork chop. I like it. Good thing you got stopped out, though. You know, you're not holding too long, which is good. That's one positive for you. So good stuff, Tangy. And hey, enjoy that pork chop. It should be pretty good there. Appreciate that, Xbox. I really do. Thanks for joining.